Zoisha. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey! So today is July 3rd. July 3rd. People mind up on the phone, but I'm here. You know. Yeah. Just you know what time it is, you know what I'm saying? So okay, I think it was Wednesday I posted a vlog about Jamaica is opening back, and I was asking you guys, what do you guys think, if I should go, whatever. Just to let you guys know, that video was recorded on May 31st. So yeah, it was recorded on May 31st. So yeah, no, I did not go down right when they open back up, but I am planning on leaving in a few days, as long as they approve me to leave. So I'm packing for my trip right now. I will be gone for a few weeks. Yeah, I'll be gone for a few weeks, so I kind of just wanted to come. By the time I post this video, I should already be in Jamaica, fingers crossed. So yeah, like everything is here and ready. Like this is the first time that I was like super ready for a trip, but like my hair is already here. Yeah, like everything is already here. So it's just a matter of just getting everything in there and we're good to go. So I'm just going through everything right now, trying to configure my outfits, all of that kind of stuff, and getting myself ready because I have gone back to work, my day job, which I think I mentioned before, which is why I was kind of for like the last few weeks I was kind of off schedule in terms of posting because I went back to work. So I'm still doing back my 2 jobs now. My business, I've been getting a lot of orders, so that's been taking up a lot of my time as well. I also started another business, so just trying to promote that and get that going and on the ground or off the ground, as well as planning some other stuff, getting ready for this trip, trying to make time for people, man, because I'm still gonna have time for them. Because every day me at work, every night me at work, every morning me at work, every day me at, every second of the day me at work. Yeah. So this trip is well needed. It's well deserved. I'm nervous, but I'm super excited. And this is gonna probably be like a compilation of me getting ready for the trip, because there's a lot of things that I have to do in order to get prepared for the trip. One, I may have to do the COVID test prior to traveling. I just have to confirm to see if it's possible that I won't have to do it again when I get there. If I have to do it when I get there regardless, I'm just gonna wait till I get to Jamaica to do it. I also have to fill out the application in order to go down, which I'll explain more when it comes down to the time for me to actually do that. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that journey because a lot of people have been asking, what the hell? Oh! A lot of people have been asking about the process in order to go to Jamaica right now. So yeah, that's what's up for now. I'm just packing right now. I'll come back to you guys in a little bit, or maybe when it's time for the next step, but I just wanted to let you guys know. You guys can look out for Jamaica vlogs. I don't know what they're gonna be like this time, honestly. I don't know what they're gonna be like, but y'all can look out for them regardless, okay? Cause Goody is going away. Oh, Goody is going to go look for the people, man. He's way more excited, and he has all reasons to, because he ain't gotta get no damn test. Sure. But anyways, yeah, that's so yeah, anyways, I will come back later. Bye. Y'all ready? Comment down below right now if you guys are ready for Jamaica vlogs. You guys be in my inbox. You guys be in the comments about, Zoe, you need to go to Jamaica. I miss Jamaica vlogs. Them a come no rest stuff. No one on stuff. Them a come no one on stuff. Them a come okay. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation from where I picked up or started the vlog the other day. So I'm on the computer right now and I am trying to do my travel authorization. So I kind of just wanted to walk you guys through the steps. For non-Jamaicans, to complete the travel authorization, it's 6 pages. The first page is pretty much just putting in your intended dates that you want to come to Jamaica. If you try to do it too early, they're going to advise you to come back and do it 72 hours prior to your travel. So I am leaving on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, July the 12th. So I'm actually able to actually do it now. So the first page that you go to after you register, again, is just putting in your date of when you want to travel and also when you intend on coming back. Also with your name, last name, passport number, that kind of stuff. The second page, I believe, asks you, like, you know, basic questions. Have you had symptoms for COVID? Have you tested for COVID? Have you what do you call it, been in proximity of anyone that has COVID? Have you cared for anyone with COVID? That kind of stuff. The third page, what was on the third page? I think that was the third page. The fourth page is like intended stay. So they have a list of hotels, they have a list of villas, they have a list of guest houses, and then you have the option of private homes. Oh no, sorry, I lied. The third page was sorry guys. The third, because I was doing this and I totally forgot that I said I was gonna record it. But the third page is like your what's your reason for coming. You get to put down whatever the reason is that you're coming for, your occupation, all of that kind of stuff. Then the fourth page again is putting in where you're going to be staying, and you have to put in the address, all of that kind of stuff. Now the fifth one is consent. So it looks like this. Just pretty much telling you, you know, that these are the things that you're going to, I don't want to cover the speaker. These are the things that you're going to be covering in the event that you do get sick. So the COVID test, medical services, hospital, transportation, whatever, health screening, testing, quarantine, isolation. Just kind of making sure that you understand like what you're obligated to do now that you're coming there. If you have to be quarantined upon testing and you are tested positive, that you can afford to pay for either to be quarantined at a hotel if you have to. And yeah, so pretty much they told you that they're going to be putting a tracker either on your phone, they're going to be giving you a watch, whatever the case may be. You have to submit video letting them know, you know, like I think it's twice a day, just confirming your whereabouts and all of that kind of stuff, just so that they can keep track on you. If not, you can be subjected up to 12 months in jail in Jamaica or pay $1 million fine, I believe it is. Yeah, see it here, so I'm gonna click consent, and at the bottom, yeah, I solemnly and sincerely declare that the information furnished by me in this application pursuant to the disaster risk management is true and accurate to the best of my knowledge. I make this declaration knowing that if I fail to furnish any required information or knowingly furnish false information, I commit an offense and shall be liable to a fine up to 1 million Jamaican dollars or imprisonment up to 12 months. Yeah, girl. So me click yes, because everything I think for the most part is fine. I'm gonna be staying at multiple places, so it's kind of hard for me to do that. But yeah, and then the last thing is, the last part is the immigration customs card. So I'm gonna fill this out and then come back to you guys and then let you guys know what's happening after. Okay, bye. All right, guys, so after you complete the application, they make you do the declaration card and everything on that's the last page. You know, the one that they give you in the airplane that you have to fill out. They actually make you fill it out on the site. The site is this. You can just go to visitjamaica.com and then it will prompt you to do it if this won't work. Yeah, so they will send me the email, whatever, and then I went to my email and it said your application is approved. You guys don't even understand. What the hell? You guys don't even understand. I was so nervous. I'm like, oh my god, what if they deny me or whatever? Because I've been calling the hotline and I'm just like, first when I called this week, they were like how you have to upload they were like, you have to upload a positive COVID test in order to be approved. But I think the lady thought I was calling from America, because when you go on the site now, people from Florida, New York, Texas, I think there might be another place or two coming from the States, have to upload a positive COVID test 10 days prior. No, that's no older than 10 days prior to the time that they're doing the application, because of the rising cases in the States. Canada luckily is under control. I think yesterday we had a number of 165 new cases. So we've been under the 200 mark daily for like the last 2 or 3 weeks, to be perfectly honest. One of our hospitals are clear of COVID-19 patients and all of that kind of stuff. So we've been really, really good over here. Like, we've been really, really good over here. Like, you know, people know some anomaly, you know, this Canada, whatever, but when it came down to COVID, we were like, okay? So girls and guys, my application is approved. That means Goody is going to Jamaica Wednesday morning. Oh my god. And it's so funny because originally I had, my phone is so messed up, I don't know, but I was booking my ticket for the 14th, right, which would have been Tuesday, which means I would have been leaving in 2 days. But for some reason, when my itinerary came, it said the 15th. But I was like, you know what, everything happens for a reason. There is a reason why I'm leaving on the 15th, so just keep it at the 15th. So I'm gonna go and pick up Fuffy because my friends are doing something for me today. It will probably go up after this anyways, or maybe I'll include it in this, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Fuffy, pick up some last minute stuff because I have my cousin's car and I'm gonna bring it back to him. So before I do that, I just want to get everything that I need, grab Fuffy, and then yeah, but we're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica, you guys. Like, this has been on my spirit. Like, my left eye's been jumping, so you know they say when your left eye jump, y'all go get bad news. So me and Sam kind of want to put in the application. I'm going to approve that, deny the application. I'm going to see my husband. Sure. So the email says you have been approved for travel to Jamaica. We look forward to welcoming you home. Please note that you may be denied boarding by the airline subject to your health condition. Please click here to view or download the travel authorization confirmation, which you will be required to present to the airline. So let me click. Let me print my documents. Hey! Joel, going to be so excitement. All right. Did I print it too? Yeah, okay. Hurry up now. Yo, this is so exciting. Yo, it's so crazy because I was like, you have to go through all of this stuff just to go home. Like, once upon a time, you just book your ticket and that's it. That's it. But no, you need authorization, one bag of something, and one bag of something. I hope I put in the right amount of luggage because I'm bringing 3 suitcases. apart from my hand luggage. I hope it's right. I hope it's correct. All right. So yeah, there we go. Your application has been approved. Travel authorization for Jamaica. So you guys need this in order to travel. Okay? Have a safe trip. We look forward to welcoming you. Okay. All right, let me go pick up my baby. And yeah, I will come back to you guys later when my doll's up and all these things. Okay? Toodles. We're going to Jamaica. I know you guys are ready for Jamaica vlogs, so I don't even have to ask you guys to comment down below and say, are you guys ready for Jamaica vlogs? But even if you comment down below, are you guys ready for Jamaica vlogs? I don't know what they're gonna be like. I don't know what they're gonna be like, seeing as how, you know, the place still up on curfew and all these things. But we still go there with the people, man. So yeah, girl. I'm so excited. Anyways, bye, because I got an hour drive there and back, and I'm trying to be at a store for 10 o'clock when they open. Okay, it's 8:36 right now. Wish me luck. Oh, I got an hour and 36 minutes. Hey guys, it's your favorite girls, and we should welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my bridal shower before my bridal shower. Yeah, because you know everything was postponed, so I get two, a mini one. Hey, Puffy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yay. I'm with my bridesmaids plus one. I mean, my maid of honor is plus one, because somebody didn't want a participation. But yeah. Anyways, we can go? Yay. This one?
Oh, you're awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay, we're switching tables.
Yeah, you're gonna help out, you know? I hate Kamisha. I hate her. She has no home training, but you want to help out. If you want to help out.
Yo, this is not going to be good for my back. Stay there. Make it a bag then, a girl.
You know, work. You know how much cocky we write for these girls.
I believe you.
Only.
I believe you.
So much better. You know?
So yeah, we're here out at a patio because we can do patio weather. Huh? Oh. Oh shit! I will try to remember when the time comes. I hate you guys.
Zoe, why did you invite me?
Girl, I don't know. I thought they were gonna be.
I'm too innocent.
I thought they were gonna be behaved.
I'm not doing this live today. I'm over it with. I'm not
lying. Anyhow, so yeah, we're here. I look so cute today, you guys.
You have lipstick on your teeth, girl.
That's okay. It's alright. So nothing new.
That's me all the time.
Nothing new. Okay, so I got a gift.
Teeth, food.
Well, I got a selfie stick. It's so funny because I thought this girl. What happened? She had one in the car and I was like, yo, I want one. And then I went home and she got me one without even knowing. I was like, oh my god.
Your favorite color.
I know, right? Perfect. I already know what it is. I'm so excited, Mint.
OMG. I have a disclaimer. Does it come right away? Is it the one? Look at me getting excited like
yes.
Oh, this is what I'm getting. I have a disclaimer.
I need to get a case now. Oh my god. Is it pink?
Oh, this is what I'm gonna getting, huh? I want to get the blue one.
Yo,
I see that.
I've been dying for
Can you
one.
take pictures of me, please? I want to. Hello, there's more. Can you how do you top? Because I'm ready.
What you ever get, Max?
Put on my mask. I've already worn it.
I got a Max. It's yellow too.
My head is hurting.
Okay, what's the disclaimer?
I just took a pill.
Okay, so the disclaimer is, I want to get the square one,
Yeah.
but they don't come with the film, and they
Because
have
I
no
got the
film.
price tag, girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's alright. I already knew what it was.
Amazon.
Oh.
Amazon.
That's very. That's very
Oh,
pretty.
That's for you to wear on your wedding day.
thank you.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that's
Thank you. I'm so excited.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. For you.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, what are we going to have?
Zoe had me dehydrated all day.
Girl, bye. You come at people, yeah, then you bring your own thing.
I have a key. There should be water when I'm in the house.
Well, you bring your own groceries like oh you have key. I have a booger in my nose, I think.
Can you actually sense?
I am! People not a booger.
Yeah, like, man. Can't take her anywhere.
Jesus Christ.
My girl. Jesus Christmas, man. You can't carry Yuga nowhere. Jesus Christmas.
You can't imagine if she really was.
I am! I only bought it for the bridal shower. Becca.
$40.
Because you have it, you can't talk about that's how it go. Me can't say it, that's how it go.
I don't have it.
I want to have a balloon. Have you ever had a Moscow Mule? What's that?
You know the thing that they get in those little gold cups?
So my name's Hiba, I'll be looking after you.
Your name is?
Hiba.
Hiba. Okay, I can barely hear because of the damn shield.
I feel like I just have to yell. Are we celebrating anything today?
I'm getting married. No, I'm getting married. I wish it was my birthday.
Well, the rule of thumb is every time you go, it's supposed to be your birthday.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
give it a free cake. Come on.
Yeah.
It's her birthday.
It's my birthday.
Can I grab you guys anything to drink?
Yeah.
Let's see. Thank you so much. Oh my god. You guys, congratulations.
Alright, hello. Give me. Sorry, if I stop for them. Can I pour it into the stuff for everyone? I have to share. Them the what? Them alright.
She was. Yo, when she was coming with it, I didn't think she was bringing it for me. I thought she was bringing it for somebody else. Then I have it.
Them alright.
My girl, I thought you weren't even trying to drink no more.
Who drink is this? Oh, okay.
To all the brides who were affected by COVID. This one is for all of us, okay? Okay,
I'm still searching for my husband. Alberta?
Thank you.
Want some tips? Tips. This is not going to work out.
Girl,
This is not going to work out.
I'm trying to hold up. Right now I feel kind of nauseous.
Do you? Get tea. You want tea? Are you
Let me
breathing?
find out all you motherfuckers are.
You want tea? Tiffany, breathe. You're breathing.
Talk to the bottle?
When I'm breathing.
No, we're going right here. So
wrong
what is
with
going
you?
on here? No, we can't bother with this.
You can't take it.
Sorry.
Kamisha, you never want the shrimp, you can't take shrimp.
Jesus.
Right? You never want the bread, you don't take this. You say your belly empty, you don't want to drink so much. Me get me little free drink, she want to take your drinks from me.
No, that's nice. You can't ask her for next one.
Sorry, I look for trimming left in there.
Should we try to see if we can get mini ones like these?
That's like, yes. That's what I'm talking about, you dumbass.
No, I meant like this. I was going to get the barefoot, like the pink.
Baby, I had got these, the more wet ones. One asked her where she got the minis from.
It's going to be LCBO.
Who's Davey?
I thought it was
LCBO is the only
Davey
place
has the one who was. Yeah, do you remember? What was her name? Whitey.
No, but it's earlier.
Yeah, Whitey. White or whatever. Can I?
I was going to get the barefoot pink one.
You need the
'cause the little one with
master
the...
Glass. Okay, take one. Take.
nice.
Who wants more? Okay, let me pull up.
Come on, so you know you want it. Just drink it.
Just drink it. Just drink it.
You want some more? You want some more? You want good? Perfect.
Good, yeah.